So anyway, I tried to make this sound like an old folk song, but again, it's the title cut to the CD. It's called the Skalkaho Road. 1, 2, 3. Wagon and you're ready to go. The sun's coming up, don't be moving so slow. The sky's clouding over and it's fixing to snow as we head down the Skalkaho Road. Bushels of beans and a keg full of nails, powder, lead, and a packet of mail, a box full of horseshoes, a barrel of ale, all bound for the Skalkaho Road. Hey ho boys, we're on our way, 18 miles yet to cover today. 4 yoke of oxen and a heavy load, bound for the Skalkaho, for the Skalkaho Road. I can cross these mountains with the greatest of ease. Pull into Hamilton as slick as you please, coming down off the Skalkaho Road. Well, the trail through Lowell is easy and wide, but it's a long way around once you cross the divide. I can save 2 weeks, but it's a hell of a ride, coming down off the Skalkaho Road. Hey ho boys, and we're on our way, 18 miles yet to cover today. 4 yoke of oxen and a heavy load, bound for the Skalkaho, for the Skalkaho Road. Cover today, 4 yoke of oxen and a heavy load, bound for the Skalkaho, for the Skalkaho Road. Thanks so much. Skalkaho Road.